Long time ago, in a small town in North Carolina, USA, a boy named Michael Jordan was born. He had big dreams, but one dream stood above the rest. He wanted to be the greatest basketball player in the world. Michael loved playing basketball with his older brothers. But there was one problem. He wasn't tall enough. His brother could dunk. His friends could shoot over him. And no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't keep up. Still, Michael never backed down from a challenge. He practiced every single day. He would dribble for hours, shoot thousands of baskets, and run faster than anyone else. He believed that if he worked hard enough, he could be the best. The biggest disappointment. One day, Michael tried out for his high school basketball team. He was excited. This was his chance to prove himself. But when the team list was posted, his name wasn't there. He didn't make the team. Michael felt heartbroken. He ran home, locked himself in his room, and cried. For many kids, this would have been the end of the story. But for Michael, it was just the beginning, the comeback. Instead of giving up, he made a promise to himself. I will never let this happen again. He practiced harder than ever before. Every morning before school, he woke up early to train. Every night, he stayed late in the gym, practicing his shots. The next year, when tryouts came again, Michael made the team. Not only that, but he became the best player on it. From that moment on, his hard work never stopped. He played college basketball at the University of North Carolina and won the national championship. Then, he was drafted into the NBA, where he joined the Chicago Bulls. That's when the world saw what Michael Jordan could really do. The legend begins. Michael didn't just play basketball. He dominated it. He could jump higher than anyone, shoot better than anyone. And when the game was on the line, everyone knew who would take the final shot. He won 6 NBA championships, 5 MVP awards, and became the greatest basketball player of all time. But his greatest lesson wasn't about winning. It was about never giving up. Michael Jordan once said, I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. His story teaches us that failure isn't the end. It's just a step toward success.